I've got a bunch of lathe tools in a 5-gallon bucket, and over in my cabinet and everywhere else. I'm gonna see if I can take all of that junk over there that I've acquired and make a nice little cabinet underneath my lathe. It'll give it a little bit of weight along with keeping everything organized. All right, let's see if I can get it done. Here we go. As you can see, I had some 2x8s laying around and 3/8 plywood, about 5 drawers. I don't know where they came from, just randomly hoarded those somewhere along the way, but I just had to make do with what I had. This is a failure in measure twice, cut once. I didn't measure the plywood before it happened, so I had to cut it out twice. It was out of square by about 1/2 inch, but I finally got it to working. Big drawer on the bottom is going to be mounted with some 3-inch lag bolts, and I use that big drawer at the very end to put all my lathe turning tools in, which you see in that 5-gallon bucket over there. The 4 drawers here, I had sanded them down, and Gavin came out to help me build the box for the drawers on this one. He's a pretty good helper. This assembly went a little bit faster because I built it and shot it in with a bunch of brad nails and then tore it all back apart and reassembled it with screws mostly. Some nails, but mostly screws. with that nail gun. Shot so many nails in there, I had to add some more. But maybe a little bit of an overkill, but at least he's getting the experience of using a nail gun. I added that little shelf on the back for a tool rest. It also mounts to the bottom shelf. That's what holds it all in place. Put a little paste wax on the drawers so they would slide freely, and then the last step was just to transfer all the tools into the drawers, get rid of that 5-gallon bucket. I think it was a good addition to the lathe. Keeps all my tools in one spot, and it also adds a little bit of weight to the bottom of the lathe. Keeps it from vibrating as bad. All in all, I think it turned out pretty nice.